Hey guys, in this quick video, I wanted to walk through a Facebook ad calculator in terms of how to know if your business and your product is right to scale with ads. And I'm gonna make this calculator available just for free in the comments so that you can make an informed decision as to whether your product is ready for ads or not. So this is an example where I was having a conversation with a social media manager that was putting out a quote for a product that is a $29 product one-time purchase. And I want to walk through just through cost of goods, through some of the inputs and sales goals that they have, why I came to the conclusion that a full-scale Facebook or TikTok ad campaign is not a good approach for them in the beginning. So in this Facebook ad calculator, the way that it works is that you want to change anything that's purple. So in this instance, we have a price, which is $29. We have cost of goods on this item, which is how much it costs you to manufacture and fulfill this product, $22, leaving $7 in profit. So already profit margins are really slim. I would, this is not a video on pricing, but your margins are a little too thin, meaning you have no room to budget for acquisition cost in there. So ideally we're working with like a $40 plus item. For ads, I really etc. So here we have from a ad standpoint. So as a advertiser, I'm looking at the viability of a product in terms of, do we have the margins to be able to profitably scale you with ads? So what I'm going to do is I put in my price and I put in my cost of goods. And then this founder, just from a conversation, wanted to see how much he had to spend on Facebook to get $29,000 worth of revenue. So we put in a monthly revenue target of $29,000. And then the average revenue per sale is 29. So that leaves that we have about 1,000 units that we're looking to acquire on Facebook. Then we look down here, assuming an average website conversion rate is 2.5%. So we'll keep that in there. Assume our ad click-through rate for the percentage of people that see your ad that actually click through is about 2%. So again, industry standard. So the numbers it spits out down here is that it's saying that based on these average metrics of a $29 product, we are going to have our cost per sale. It's going to cost that company $40 on average to acquire a $29 item, meaning that he's going to have a net loss of $11 per item based on this model, which makes no sense. There are a couple cases where this would make sense. For example, if you have a subscription product where you're essentially looking to lose money on the front end to acquire that customer, and then based on your lifetime value that you're going to be making that money back within month 2 or month 3, a model like this can really make sense for you. But if you're a one-time product purchase where you don't anticipate someone to come back and buy your product, or you can't bundle with something of higher value to increase your cart value, acquiring customers through paid ads just does not make sense. So in a case like this, the social media strategy and the marketing strategy I would recommend for something like this is taking more of an organic approach. So this will be doing short form video. This is going to be influencer marketing, PR. And then once you have a bit of traffic built up, you have the pixel that's been tickled a little bit, you are then going to be well served to use TikTok and Facebook for a retargeting campaign at a low budget where you're looking to spend $20 to $50 per day to retarget warm audiences or people that are already familiar with your brand. So I do not think that products that are less than $50 for average cart, unless if you're a subscription and playing the long game, I do not recommend doing a full-scale cold traffic ads campaign. I recommend using it more on the back end, nurturing with retargeting. Outside of that, if you have any questions about how to use the e-commerce calculator, or you'd like to see more resources like this, let me know below. But thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll talk to you in the next video.